yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life of My Wife and Thursday mukbang. We're just gonna have some bean and beef wraps. We've got toppings, whatever. However, we're gonna make it our own.
You blinked.
I did.
Brody, stop.
Brody's already had his, but he seems to think that he needs more. Not quite sure why.
Cute.
We got taco meat, refried beans. Bang, bang, bang.
Mm-hmm.
And I want some of my black olives.
Cruising for a bruising.
Got those. Peppers and green onions.
Yes. Sour cream?
No, thank you.
Now you know what I feel about olives.
Some tomatoes. Some cheese. It's looking yums.
Lettuce?
Yeah, but I was gonna put my salsa on first.
You almost said sour cream.
Yeah, puke.
I don't think you did enough cheese.
I know.
It's your MO, dear.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And some lettuce. Here, I'll show you. That look yum. Yum, yum, yum. No. Get up on that chair. He always fights wrapping a wrap.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway. Trying to call Kevin at work today. Stupid phones were down. I didn't him to have to come home for me to only say, I need you to go back out to the grocery store. Stupid phones.
Mm-hmm.
This week on Saturday, on our outing, we're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna go to a little town called Gimli. You can Google it and see all about it before we take you. Just a little hick town, but it's a nice drive out there. And of course, our area's got all the flooding and stuff with all the snow melting.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you a picture of a street that's not too far from ours. Hold that. It's not that far from our house. That street always gets it bad, don't they? We're lucky where we are because we have a ditch in the front yard and a ditch in the backyard, so.
Mm-hmm. But a lot of that's just because the sewer drains are just plugged up with leaves and stuff.
Yep. It's yummy.
Did you hear him?
Mm-hmm. I'm ignoring him. Mm-hmm. Dorothy came over today and we filmed a Timu haul. You'll see that on Tuesday. Dorothy was so excited. It was her first haul. First time buying herself some dyes for her dye machine.
Mm-hmm.
So she was excited. And of course, she had to get right playing with them. No, Brody. He had some yellow peppers and cheese before we ate. Kevin's at that end and he's at that end and they're staring at each other. I don't know how much to talk about today. Our weather's beautiful though.
It is. I'm just tired.
Mm. That's okay.
Pretty busy.
Mm-hmm. We came in, we said hi. We can gap on Saturday. It's okay. So, why don't we call it tonight just a little quick little video. He's a party pooper because he's tired. It's alright. So, we'll see you on the next one. On Saturday's adventure. See you then. Bye-bye.
All right.